like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and nothing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome. Glad to have you. And today I have October. Sorry, October. I forgot what month it is. October's ice cream box. Now, if you're not familiar with this, it costs $25 and that's delivered. You're guaranteed 5 to 7 items, and one item will be a pallet. Now, they also have a bag, and that's $12.50. You're guaranteed 3 to 5 items. One will be a pallet, and with that, you pay shipping. I believe it's like $3.50 or $3, something like that. So it comes out to right about $15 for that one. But today I have the box, and I did cancel my bag a few months ago because stuff was just really piling up, and I may go back and get it again. But it was very easy to do. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Now, normally it has those biodegradable peanuts in it, and I always go and I open it up and take those out so I don't get them all over my house, because that's what I do. I didn't really pay attention to what was in it. I just kind of went and did what I had to do, and because I will get them everywhere. It will be a mess, because we all know what a mess I am anyway. So anyway, we're going to take a gander at this. Oh, and every month you get a printout of what's in it. So some like to read it, some people don't. To each their own. But at the end, I'll do the math and put it on the screen. All the links are below. I'll put it on the screen, the value, and it'll be below too. So we're just going to start right here with one I'm familiar with. This Ofra Cosmetics, and this is a highlighter. And ladies, pretty much everybody tells me that I've talked to that knows what they're talking about. You know, everybody but me, because I don't really know what I'm talking about. Says this is one of the best highlighters out there, and that's what it is. And I'll just kind of do a quick swatcho. Let's see how pretty that is. I don't know if you can see it or not. Here, we'll just put it right here in the tip of my nose. But they all say it's the best out there. And, you know, I don't really contour as much as I should because I suck at it. You know, I'm trying to learn. I'm an old lady and I'm trying to learn new ways. But let's be honest. But this is a value of, let's see where it is. $22, which is reasonable for that size. And they say it's one of the best in the business. And it's Rodeo Drive Highlighter is what it's called. And that's Rodeo Drive. But everybody says they have one of the best they have the best highlighters out there. So happy to have that. And this is Delancey. I don't know what Delancey is, but we're gonna find out. I should have cleaned these glasses before. If you can't tell, I can't see. This is a liquid blush, and it's valued at $25. And the bottle looks like this. Cute bottle. It's got a little doe foot there. I don't really know how to use the liquid blush I use now. When I was a kid, we always just used our lipstick as blush. That way it always matched. That's what my mom always swore by. See, you can see that. These glasses are honestly so dirty. I can't even tell if you can see that. I have not had clean glasses since my last husband died. He's just come in, just give them to me. Just give them to me. That's a little better. Okay. Then we have, this is something else that's new to me. This is Blackout Colorbase Primer by Beauty Creations, and it's a $5 value. That's another thing I like about this company. They don't inflate the prices. You know, if it's worth $5, they'll tell you, hey, it's worth $5. You can get this for $5. They don't say, value, you know, we're going to pay $5, but we're going to tell you we paid $30. You know, they don't do that. So this is how this works. Okay, I just put 3 little dots on there. But this is what the tube looks like. I don't know how potent, how strong this is. I don't know. See, there's the 3 little dots. And see, it comes out to be a black. Now, you can use this on your eyes as a base. You can use it for an eye color. You can use it anywhere you want black on your skin. Like it for Halloween this time. If you're wanting to, you know, make something look rough and gritty, that's good for that too. But it, you know, it's $5. And I like doing that kind of stuff. Okay, then you have number 4 up is this. Let's see who it is. It's Illuminati. Let's see. pH Color Changing Lip Gloss by Illuminati Cosmetics. And it's valued at $20. I got lip gloss on. I'll just see what it does on my hand. Ooh, that's lip plumping. I didn't see that part. But it's just got a very pale pink to it. It's got a nice shine. It's got a really nice shine. I don't know if you see it or not what I'm saying. It's a really nice shine. But it is lip plumping because I got it on my tongue and my tongue's stinging. But yeah, that's a $20 value. I like anything that makes my lips plump because, as you can see, I don't really have them. I have to kind of draw them on because I don't have them. He forgot. Yeah, the good man upstairs. He says, well, you're just so perfect every other way. Let's just give you lips. And yes, I got teased in high school about it. They actually called me fish lips. Do you believe that? That's just horrid. And then our palette this time is called Graveyard Smash. Palette by Wicked Willow Cosmetics, and it's a value of $36. And this is what that looks like. And it's got a sleeve on it. Oh, here it is. That's what's where's the plastic? Stuck to the mirror. There's the colors. Of course, you got a mirror. I hide the mirror because it comes at you. But we have Harvest, Horrors, Fright Night, Thrills and Chills, Groovy Ghouls. And I'll do some swatching. Just I know I'm like, wait a minute, I know I didn't use all of my fingers. So there's 4 swatches, and that's 1 pass a piece. This is Fright Night, Harvest, Horrors. This is Groovy Ghouls, Thrills and Chills. Wizard Waltz is here. Bewitching Bride is here. It's kind of a real dark purple. And then we got Freaky Frank. And it really does look like Frankenstein's colors. I didn't get a good swatch on there, but there it goes. And then the last one is the Monster Mash. The Monster Mash. There you go. So they're all swatched. I was wondering if Freaky Frank was going to look that color, and it does. It really does. But they all seem to go on smoothly, unlike the one I put on my face today. I'm going to hand that to Char and see if it does the same thing with her, because it was very patchy when I tried to use it today. And I thought, well, maybe it's just a me problem, so I'll let Char have it. And if she has that problem, she can just throw it away. But anyhow, that is the ice cream for October. Very fitting. And I'm really excited to use this to see. They say, like, if you use that duochromes and stuff with this, it makes it really pop. So I'm going to probably try it out and Who knows? Maybe I'll invite Char over for a girls' night so she can do my makeup, and we'll see what happens. Because, you know, them young girls, they watch all that stuff and keep up with it. And, you know, I'm 60. A lot of this stuff I've never heard of before, and a lot of it's stuff when I was a kid we did, and they're calling it brand new, and you're like, huh? Not new, not new. But anyhow, that's ice cream for October 2023. We're getting real close to that 1,000. I think last count we were at 910. So please feel free to like, subscribe, come on back, join us. We'd love to have you. And you know what's funny? When I started this channel, I would watch other people's shows and they'd say, "Oh, I love you so much," and you're like, "You don't even know me." And honestly, there are people that have been with me since the beginning. You know, Debbie from Connecticut, she's been here since way beginning. I think she was actually my first winner on this channel, and she always comment. I mean, there's just so many of you, and I know, you know, I'm learning your life stories and stuff. You become a real part of me. So come on back, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Bye.